Quick question, do you wake up with neck pain, back stiffness, or feeling like you barely slept? A lot of the time, it's not your mattress, it's your pillow. I started using this orthopedic pillow from DaVinci Orthopedics, and it's honestly changed how my body feels in the morning and throughout the day. As you lie down, this pillow is designed to keep your head, neck, and spine in better alignment, instead of letting your neck collapse forward or to the side. The contoured shape supports the natural curve of the cervical spine, helping reduce strain on the neck, shoulders, and upper back while you sleep. It works whether you sleep on your back or side, with different height zones that help keep your airway more open, which can reduce snoring and improve breathing comfort. There's also a gentle upper body elevation that can support people dealing with acid reflux or extra discomfort during pregnancy without feeling bulky. This pillow adapts as you move, giving support without forcing you into one position, so you wake up feeling less stiff and more refreshed. Consistent overnight alignment like this helps reduce cumulative stress on the neck and upper back, supporting better recovery so you can move and perform better during the day. As someone that treats neck and back pain every day, sleep setup matters more than people realize. If you want better sleep, less stiffness, and more support overnight, this pillow is a simple upgrade that actually makes a difference. I've provided the link right in my caption and also my bio. Go ahead and check out DaVinci Orthopedics. Pick up this orthopedic pillow. Your body will thank you later.